Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best chainmail scrubber is probably one of the most underrated kitchen tools out there. If you're a cast iron aficionado, you know the struggle of keeping your pans clean without stripping away that precious seasoning. Today, we're diving deep into the world of chainmail scrubbers, exploring why they're a game changer for cast iron care and how they can make your cooking life a whole lot easier. Number 5. HOVhomeDEVP 316 Stainless Steel Cast Iron Cleaner. This cast iron cleaner is made of food-safe 316 grade stainless steel. Unlike other scrubbers, it's ultra-hygienic. This handcrafted chainmail scrubber is designed to last. Each ring is handmade with smooth edges to protect your pan seasoning. It won't scratch your pans, ensuring they remain seasoned. It's made of 316L stainless steel, so you don't have to worry about rust. This cleaner works on cast iron, woks, and various cookware. It's suitable for baking sheets, teapots, and more. It's lightweight and convenient for use at home, camping, or while traveling. This cast iron cleaner effortlessly cleans your cast iron products. It only takes about 10 seconds with warm water. This makes cleaning up a breeze. You can easily hang it in your kitchen. It's also dishwasher safe. We are confident in the quality of this iron cast cleaner. What we like. This chainmail scrubber is made of food-safe stainless steel, ensuring a hygienic clean. It protects your pan's seasoning, maintaining its non-stick properties. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaner for all your cast iron cookware, this is the one for you. What people say. No scrubbing, seems to do everything you need it to do by just pulling it around in the pan. Cast iron too. If your cast iron isn't seasoned well, this product will get that gunk off with water and you won't ruin a sponge. Easily cleaned afterwards and has a loop if you want to store inside your cabinet on a hook. Number 4. Cuisinel Cast Iron Cleaner Kit. Introducing the ultimate cast iron cleaning kit. This set includes everything you need for your cast iron cleaning journey. It solves every problem, whether you need to scrape away rust or scrub off tough grease stains. Do you have stubborn cooked-on food bits? This all-in-one multi-tool can handle even the toughest jobs in your kitchen. It works on steel pots, cast iron griddles, metal pans, and more, without extra effort. This brush feels great and comfortable in your hand, thanks to the ergonomic ridges and non-slip grip. Meticulously designed for comfort and function, it cleans amazingly and looks good while doing it. Leave the scrubbing to us. This can be used on any kitchen utensil or cookware. We're confident it can replace all your cleaning accessories and clean anything, even your sink. This scrubber brushes clean better than any sponge. Composed of plastic, silicone, and nylon, this combines great looks with even better cleaning capability. You will feel happy holding this brush. It's just beautiful and functional. What we like. This kit includes a brush, chainmail, and scrapers, offering a complete cleaning solution. It tackles even the toughest grease and food residue. If you have stubborn stains and need a comprehensive cleaning kit, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The chainmail scrubber is incredibly effective at removing tough, stuck-on food without compromising the seasoning on my cast iron pans. The silicone lining gives it a comfortable grip, making it much easier to handle compared to traditional scrubbers. The pan scraper is another fantastic addition. I love the ergonomic design, which makes it easy to use and versatile enough for different cookware. Number 3. Cuisinel Chainmail Scrubber and Pan Scraper. This innovative scrubber is designed with an ergonomic handle for a better grip. It's perfect for all cookware, getting into every corner and crevice. It makes cleaning your pots and pans easier than ever. The ergonomic design keeps your hands away from the chainmail, reducing fatigue. This flexible scrubber is suitable for all cookware types. It helps you get rid of dirt and oil buildup effortlessly. This tool helps you scrub away dirt without damaging the seasoning. It can also revitalize rusted or corroded cast iron. It's the perfect tool to bring your old cookware back to life. Made from high-quality, anti-rust stainless steel and silicone, it won't warp or rust. The silicone webbing retains soap and is easy to clean. You can use it with or without soap. It's fully immersible and dishwasher safe. The handle's flat top allows for easy air drying and storage. Both the cookware and the scrubber will look brand new after use. What we like. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip and less fatigue while cleaning. It can revitalize old cast iron, restoring it to its former glory. If you want a cleaner that's easy to use, dishwasher safe, and helps maintain your cookware, consider it. What people say. The Chainmail Scrubber is incredibly effective at removing tough, stuck-on food without compromising the seasoning on my cast iron pans. The silicone lining gives it a comfortable grip, making it much easier to handle compared to traditional scrubbers. The scraper was neat, but I haven't made much use of it aside from one time to remove stuck-on fat. Number 2. Cast Iron Cleaner, 7-inch Stainless Steel Scrubber. This chainmail scrubber is perfect for keeping your cast iron cookware in top condition. It's designed to make cleaning easy and effective, ensuring your pans last for years. Made from premium 316L stainless steel, this scrubber is built to last. It's ideal for all your cast iron cookware, from pans to Dutch ovens, and it's completely hygienic. The smooth edges of each ring are designed to protect the seasoning of your pans. You can clean without worrying about damaging the surface, and it won't rust. This versatile tool works on more than just cast iron. Use it on glassware, stainless steel, pizza stones, and more. It's a must-have for any kitchen. Cleaning is a breeze. Just scrub with water, and watch the stuck-on food disappear. It's easy to store with its convenient hanging ring. We're confident you'll love this product. It's a superior alternative to brushes and scrapers. If you have any questions, our customer service is here to help. What we like. This chainmail scrubber is made of durable 316L stainless steel, ensuring it lasts as long as your cast iron. It protects your pan seasoning, maintaining its non-stick properties. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaner for all your cast iron cookware, this is the one for you. What people say. Scrubs out the tough stuff from cast iron. This cleans cast iron. It scrapes off food particles. You clean it by wrapping it around a soapy sponge. Hasn't come apart, retains the finish, and still strong after hundreds of uses. Defiantly recommended. It cleans great and doesn't scratch up your pans. Number 1. Amagabeli 8x6 Cast Iron Cleaner. This is the perfect tool for keeping your cast iron cookware in top shape. It's made of durable stainless steel and is designed to make cleaning easy and effective. Made with premium 316L stainless steel, it won't rust or scratch your pans. This ensures it's safe for your cast iron and built to last as long as your cookware. It gently removes rust and stuck-on food without damaging the seasoning. Unlike steel wool, this cleaner works effectively without scratching. After use, simply dry, oil, and heat it to protect your pans. Rinse it under running water or put it in the dishwasher for a spotless clean. The cleaner removes residue, buildup, rust, and stains without stripping the seasoning. Simply scrub with warm water for quick cleaning. The 8x6-inch size is compact and lightweight, with a hanging ring for easy storage. It's ideal for home cooks and campers. This cleaner is perfect for various cookware, including pans, skillets, woks, and more. It's a versatile tool for all your cast iron cleaning needs. What we like. This chainmail scrubber is made of durable 316L stainless steel, ensuring it won't rust and protects your pan seasoning. It offers effortless cleaning and is dishwasher safe. If you're looking for a reliable and versatile cleaner for all your cast iron cookware, this is the one for you. What people say. It is better to use this than a soap and sponge on cast iron. This works well to remove chunks of food from the cast iron. It also removes small charred bits. Gets everything when cooking with cast iron. Easy to clean. This metal scrubber does take some trial and error, but once you get the hang of it, I love it. I reach for it now all the time to clean my cast iron pans and I cannot think of going back to the copper pads. It does a great job of removing the grim and stays intact and it does not pinch my fingers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.